Brad Williams, Excel Prime.
Excel formula viewing tips. Here is a simple way to review your normal view, formula view. And why do you care? Well, if you have a problem, maybe you need to trace the error. One way to do that is just to get a view of what's going on in the background. The first thing you can do is just hit Control and this accent. See this right here, Control and that accent? That's just below the escape key on your keypad. Hit Control. Here is just the layout. Formulas. Here's the data that you put in without any formatting. You're saying, so what? Perhaps you have a whole bunch of formulas here without using the formula text feature. This will give you an overview of what you're trying to accomplish, and then you have your information here. Hit Control accent again. It goes back to the normal view. You also can go up to formulas in the toolbar. Under formula auditing, you can hit trace precedence. The only way trace precedence works is you need to be in a cell that has a formula. If not, it's just no way, you can't trace it. So you can hit trace precedence, and then it's going to give you what's going on. You can also hit remove arrows. You can trace dependence. Well, you don't have a dependent here because this is the end result. This could be a dependent up above in H5. It trace dependence. The only way this formula works is because there's something in the cell above it. We're going to get into exactly what this means, but that's how you remove arrows.
Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Out. Williams out.